10 Golden Rules for Successful Trading. Dreaming of financial freedom? Want to become a successful trader? Then this video is for you. Hello! Today we'll dive into the world of trading and unveil 10 golden rules that will help you achieve success in the financial markets. Ready? Rule number 1. Trading plan. Always use a trading plan. Be disciplined. The first and most important rule is to have a clear trading plan. It's your roadmap to the market. It will define when to enter a trade, when to exit, and how to manage risk. Rule number 2. Stability is key to success. Don't risk too much on one trade. Be patient and don't succumb to the temptation of getting rich quick. Focus on the long-term perspective. Don't chase quick and large profits. It's better to earn stable profits and preserve your deposit. Rule number 3. Stop loss is your lifesaver. Set a stop loss immediately after opening a position. Don't move the stop loss to break even. Choose a reasonable level for your stop loss. A stop loss is an order to sell or buy an asset at a predetermined price, which helps limit potential losses. Rule number 4. Emotions are the trader's enemy. Develop strategies for managing emotions. Keep a trading journal to analyze your emotions. Rest and avoid trading when you feel emotionally drained. Fear, greed, and anger can lead to poor decisions. Rule number 5. Money management is the foundation of success. Don't risk more than 2 to 5% of your deposit on one trade. Divide your deposit into several parts. Use various risk management tools. Money management is about managing your money in the market. Rule number 6. Don't rely on others' opinions. Develop your own trading strategy. Verify information from multiple sources. Trust your own analysis. Every trader is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. Don't blindly follow others' advice. Rule number 7. Don't hold losing positions. Set a stop loss for each trade. Don't hope for a price reversal. Acknowledge your mistakes and learn from them. Losing positions can quickly eat away at your deposit. Don't be afraid to cut your losses. Rule number 8. Discipline and patience. Develop a clear trading plan and follow it. Don't trade emotionally. Be patient and don't rush into trades. Trading requires discipline and patience. Don't give in to emotions and stick to your plan. Rule number 9. Learn from your mistakes. Keep a trading journal. Communicate with other traders. Use trade analysis tools. Every mistake is an opportunity for growth. Analyze your mistakes and learn from them. Rule number 10. Enjoy the process. Balance work and rest. Don't neglect other aspects of your life. Enjoy each day. Trading can be an exciting and profitable activity. Enjoy the learning and growth process. Conclusion: create your trading plan, control your emotions, and don't forget about continuous learning. You've learned 10 secrets of successful traders. Now it's time to put this knowledge into practice. Ready to start your financial journey? Subscribe to our channel for more useful tools and strategies.